Hi, I'm Magdalena Rendulic from portal Dnevnik HR, and with me is Dine Burbidgea.
Hello.
Dino, hello. Can you please tell me what would you say is the biggest advantage of digital out-of-home advertising?
Digital out of home specifically, I would say attribution. So you can create a digital campaign, send it to a billboard, and then somebody can maybe scan it with their phone and take it into a store. And that whole chain can be an attribution from a billboard all the way through to a sale. And you can change that on the fly, so you can make sure it's true. So being able to attribute a sale from a billboard all the way through, and that's great proof that you can then use on your next campaign as well. So I think that's the biggest benefit.
What would you say? Maybe is there shortcomings to this kind of digital advertising?
The shortcoming to digital. Not really, to be honest. I would say possibly the only thing is if you see a brilliant billboard, it's maybe not going to be there when you come back. But other than that, I don't think there's a disadvantage to digital.
Okay, thank you very much for
No
talking
problem.
to me.
My pleasure.